Hi everyone! Today I want to show you how to make candied walnuts in the microwave. You are going to need about 2 cups of walnuts, a half cup of sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a quarter cup of water. Stir that together. Put in the microwave for 3 minutes. When you take it out, it should look like this. Stir. Then we are gonna place it back into the microwave for another 3 minutes. Stir in one more time. We want it to look like this, and that's done. You want to allow them to cool for 20 minutes and enjoy. Thanks for watching.